Hi you guys, hey, are you ready to go camping? This is the one you want, this Lance travel trailer. 4 seasons, you can take this up to Nome, Alaska in the middle of winter and you're gonna be okay, or you can take it down to Baja, Mexico in 4th of July. So Lance is a name that is recognized in the industry, in the RV world, as a quality unit, and they've earned that reputation and they stand by it. A couple of things that I want to show you right here is that a lot of times you're moving around great big tanks that are loaded up with propane, which is heavy. So I want to move that out of there. I thought that was smart. So now we have two 5-gallon tanks, which is plenty of juice. And then you've got a spare right there as well. I'm going to just set this right down right here. And you can get into it from the top. You got LED lighting up here. It's got a smart jack on it. So this jack is not only a light, but it will remember where it came off the ball of your truck so you can get back on very easily. It has an auto retract. It just does a lot of really nice things that make it more convenient for you, easier on the back, faster to get done the right way. I'm gonna come around to this side. Here's another innovative idea from Lance. You've got these battery trays that are on each side of the RV. So look, now when you need to service your battery, it's right here. Super easy. They also put in this great tray. This rolls right out so you can put your gear in there. And when you got her loaded up, send it right on back. Another thing that I really like about this particular brand, Lance themselves, they've thought of everything, including a utility table to have underneath the RV, underneath the awning. And the awning is, and these are nice hinges as well. So that's a nice, thick, insulated door that's held up by a magnet. You've got tinted windows that come out this way, so you're not having things come apart. You got a great big awning on it, dual axles, and this is a 1995. So in 1995, so you're gonna be, it's 19 at the box, about 20 at the box, 23 feet overall. So you can get into any federal park, state park, county park, and you got 4 seasons, so you can take it anywhere you wanna go. Quartzsite's calling you. Come on in for a minute. A lot of times when I'm talking with people about smaller trailers, they say, where's the storage? Where's the storage? Well, you've got a lot of storage underneath the bed, and you have that really nice pull-out tray, and you've got a really comfortable bed to lie down on. Nice place to set your glasses or a glass of water, charging stations. You've got these deep cupboards with rods in them for your hanging clothes. I really love the idea that they've done here, and that is this window opens up completely. So you can have fresh air coming in and out of here with a screen, and you can also close out the sunshine by going the opposite direction. What a good idea. Super great innovation, and that's what Lance is all about. They've been at the top of their game for a very long time. We've got a TV here, an antenna, of course, a fantastic fan. So a fantastic vent is, will move 30 cubic feet of air in or out, so you don't even have to have the air conditioner on. But it is equipped with one. You got a great big refrigerator here. This is the same size of refrigerator that you're gonna find in a motorhome. They're just, you know, doing the right thing all the time. A 24-inch oven. This really nice cooktop. Again, whoops. Got this really nice cooktop, and then you've got the microwave up here. These are LED lights that are on a dimmer switch, so you can make them as bright or as calm as you'd like. A double sink here, great big stone cast sink, and more counter space, more drawers, more storage. Storage underneath here. This is nice, all the windows open all the way around it. It also makes into a really nice bed. This particular company is very smart when it comes to their window covering. So you've got a screen here, and then you also have a blackout shade. These are called MCD shades, and you normally would find those in a motorhome, but not with Lance. And they just go up really nicely like that. Easy does it. And and some nice lighting fixtures and things like that. Now, I'm not very tall, and I was able to stand right up in there and step right back down very comfortably. It's got a good bathroom in it. Now, you know that Lance are aluminum framed travel trailers with very dense insulation, so that's what makes them a Four Seasons coach. The construction is considered to be top of the line, because it is. You got another closet in here, a little bureau of drawers, and it's got this so the kids can't slam it. Isn't that nice? It's nice and quiet, holds it together. And a beautiful coat closet here. So we've looked at a trailer that's a 1995, so 20 feet long. I think it's about 23 overall. And you've got a lot in a little. We'll take a quick walk outside. The grab handle. I like the innovative steps. They're nice and light. They don't get rusty. It's got a little, safety step so you don't get your foot in there. Actually, I just sold a Lance last week, and they had 2 doors on theirs, so they ordered a second set of steps. Also, you got a ladder, so you can get up on the roof, see what's going on up there, store something up there. You've got a little stinger down here, so you can add a bike rack or something like that. And all of your services are right here. Your flushing tank, your potable water, your 30 amp service, the cable, the outside shower. So I always encourage people to come on out and take a look at this. A lot of people do a lot of shopping online, but the seeing is believing and feeling is the real truth. Got great storage here. We ordered these things with the slide topper, so you've got a slide out here that already has a Carefree awning over the top of it. It's called a slide topper. All of your black and gray are right here handy dandy. You've got a little ditty spot to put your tools in. So I want to invite you, come on out to Guaranty RV. We're on Highway 99 in Junction City. My name is Barb. And if you want to ask me any questions, you can do that. Give me a call on my cell phone. It's the best way to contact me. I'm at 541-521-4232. And my name is Barbara D. I'm here at Guaranty. Thank you for spending some time with me today and learning about the Lance 1995.